come to find out that this winter is going to be a real meanie. That's right, it's going to be a real meanie and try and bruise us. Well, you know what? I'm going to teach you how to make a full meal with just some tea lights.
No way.
So hang tight and we'll do it together. Okay, a few things. We're going to go over safety first. That's right, safety first. Ding! Okay, metal cooking tray. We're going to need enough tea candles. So if you do not have tea candles, you can get them at Home Depot, you can get them at like a local hardware store, anywhere. They sell them in packs of 100.
No way.
Sometimes even more. I would get as
much as you can.
Because you know what? You can stay warm, but can you stay fed? So we need tea candles. You need an abundance of tea candles. As a matter of fact, I need to get more tea candles. See, we want it all to have enough airflow so that the fire can stay lit. There we go. Whoops. Okay. Take two. Nine. I have a baker's dozen under there. Utilize your lid. You're going to learn patience, and you're going to learn that patience is a virtue. That doesn't mean that just because it's going to take longer that it's not going to work. That's not true. It will work. It just takes longer. Have something else that you can do, because like they said,
the wax pot, it will never boil, so...
I just have to say how impressed I am with this tea light stew cooking. It is finished, so I'm about ready to blow out the candles and let it set for a few minutes and show you guys. You're gonna
I love how this turned out.
Did I scare you? Come here, go check this out. Come here. It's right here. Oh, the smell. It smells, it's very beefy. Let me show you a couple. This whole pot of stew using 15 tea lights. So if you are ever in an emergency where you don't have power for days and you have an electric stove, you have an alternative and proof of something that works. I'm Calamity Girl, and please be careful. Know that this is a dangerous time, and be safe. See you next video.